Did you know dogs can actually smell diseases like cancer before doctors can even detect it? In a study from BioDiscovery, trained dogs were able to identify lung and breast cancer patients just by smelling their breath samples. Their accuracy was over 90%. Scientists believe it's because cancer releases unique chemical compounds that a dog's nose can easily pick up, something our machines still struggle with. This discovery is now inspiring new medical technology, where dog noses could one day be replaced by life-saving sensors in hospitals. Amazing, right? Hit like and subscribe for more mind-blowing animal facts.